Welcome back. Now, the history of Bahrain. Ancient times, Dilmun civilization. Bahrain history goes back more than 5,000 years. In ancient times, it was known as the land of Dilmun. Dilmun was a very important trading hub between Mesopotamia, mean Iraq, and the Indus Valley means India. It was famous for its freshwater springs and described in Sumerian text as a paradise land. Classical and early Islamic period around 600 BC, Bahrain was influenced by the Babylonians and later the Persians. In the 4th century CE, Christianity spread here by 621 CE during the time of Prophet Muhammad. Bahrain's rulers accepted Islam. This made Bahrain one of the earliest regions outside Arabia to embrace Islam. Medieval Bahrain from the 9th to 16th century, Bahrain was ruled by different powers, including the Qadmans, a Sahih sect who were very powerful in the region. Later, it came under the control of the Portuguese, 1521, who wanted to dominate Gulf trade routes. In 1602, the Portuguese were expelled by the Safavid Persians. Al Khalifa dynasty. In 1783, the Al Khalifa families, originally from Central Arabia, took control of Bahrain after defeating the Persians. The Al Khalifa dynasty still rules Bahrain today. British influence. In the 19th century, Bahrain faced threats from the Ottomans and Persians. To protect its Bahrain signed a series of treaties with the British from 1820 onwards. By 1861, Bahrain officially became a British protectorate, controlling its defense and foreign affairs. But the Al Khalifa families continued ruling internally. Modern development, 20th century. In 1932, Bahrain discovered oil, becoming the first Gulf state with oil. This transformed its economy rapidly. It modernized schools, hospitals, and infrastructure earlier than many neighbors. During the mid 1900s, Bahrain became a regional financial and trade hub. Independence 1971. In 1971, after Britain withdrew from the Gulf, Bahrain declared its independence. Sheikh Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa became the Amir of Bahrain. Kingdom of Bahrain. In 2002, Bahrain officially became a kingdom and the Amir was declared King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa. King Hamad introduced some political reforms like the national action, charter and parliamentary elections, Arab Spring and recent events. In 2011, during the Arab Spring, Bahrain witnessed protests demanding more political rights. The government, with support from Saudi Arabia and UAE, suppressed the uprising. Since then, Bahrain continues to balance between modernization, political reforms, and maintaining stability. Present day, today Bahrain is known as a financial hub of the Middle East, a country with diverse culture, Arab, Persian, Indian influences. A strategic partner of the USA, hosting the US Navy Fifth Fleet, famous for events like Formula One Grand Prix. Summary: Bahrain evolved from the ancient Dilmun civilization into a modern kingdom. It has been ruled by Babylonian, Persians, Portuguese, and British before gaining independence in 1971. Today, it is a modern Gulf state balancing tradition with progress, ruled by the Al Khalifa dynasty for over 2 centuries. Culture and living in Bahrain. Peoples of Bahrain, populations about 1.5 million 2025, but more than half are expatriates foreign workers. Ethnicity: Bahrain's means Arab, descendant of tribes from Arabia. Persians: Azam. Many Iranians settled in Bahrain century ago. South Asian Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis are a large community. Western expect smaller numbers working in banking, teaching, oil, and business. Religion: Islam is the main religion. Around 70% are Shia Muslim and 30% Sunni Muslims, but both live together. There are also Christian, Hindus, Jews, and Buddhists, mainly among expats. Language: Arabic, English is widely spoken in business, school, and government. Hindi, Urdu, Farsi, and Malayalam are also common due to expat. Traditional culture: hospitality. Bahrains are very warm and welcoming, offering disharza means thobe, a long white robe, sometimes with a red white checked scarf on the head, and women: abya means black cloak, and hijab means headscarf. Some also wear modern western clothes. Family life: families are close knit. Respect for elders is very important. Food: mix of Arabian, Persian, and Indian cousins famous dishes. Makbous, rice with meat, means fish. Washmar, sweet rice, the dates. Fresh seafood, especially shrimp and fish. Tea, chai, karak, and Arabic coffee are daily favorites. Music and dance. Traditional music: Fidjari, sailor songs, linked to pearl diving. Instruments: oud, lute, drums. Dance: arada and sword dance performed at festivals and celebrations. Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, biggest Islamic festival with family gathering, food, and charity. Ramadan, a holy month of fasting with Nile prayers and its meals. Ashura, very important for Shia Muslim with public processions. National days: December 16, fireworks, parades, and cultural shows. Formula One Grand Prix, March April, a huge international event in Bahrain. Modern lifestyle: urban lives. Capital Manama is modern with malls, skyscrapers, luxury hotels, and a busy nightlife. People enjoy shopping, dining out, and beach activities. Housing: locals live in villas or modern apartments. Expats often stay in apartments or compounds. Educational: Bahrain has both Arabic and English medium schools, and Sif Mall are ultra modern. In summary, Bahrain's culture is a blend of tradition and modernity. Peoples are warm, families oriented, and proud of their Islamic and pearl diving heritage, but they also embrace modern lifestyles, fashion, education, and international business. The mix of Arabs, Persians, Indians, and Western expect makes Bahrain religions and cultures live together peacefully. Work-life balance. Families spend evening together, weekends, Friday and Saturday are for socializing. Unique cultural features. Pearl heritage. Bahrain was one of the world's biggest pearl trading center. Coffee culture. Cafes are very popular from traditional Arabic coffee shops to modern Starbucks, squat and modern malls. Manama Shokols offers spices, gold, and perfumes, while City Center Mall and Seif Mall are ultra modern. In summary, Bahrain's culture is a blend of tradition and modernity. Peoples are warm, families oriented, and proud of their Islamic and pearl diving heritage, but they also embrace modern lifestyles, fashion, education, and international business. The mix of Arabs, Persians, Indians, and Western expect makes Bahrain one of the most culturally diverse countries in the Gulf. Thank you so much.